Hello everyone. If you want to adjust the bass and the equalizer settings on your Sony WH-CH520 headphones, first of all, make sure that your headphones are paired to your phone and make sure to download your Sony Connect application from Play Store or Apple Store if you're using an iPhone, right? Now open up your sound effect application. Make sure that your device is connected and find your equalizer tab in My Device tab. So open up your equalizer and here press on this arrow, and here you'll have a lot of presets such as vocal, relaxed, mellow, excited, bright, off. It's still a preset, or manual and custom ones. You can adjust each preset by using this gear icon. So for example, let's choose a custom one. Let's choose this gear icon. So here we can adjust our equalizer by simply sliding the slide, right? So up or down. Also, here we have clear bass fine tune, right? So use the bass slider. Let's enable a lot of bass. You can use the slider to increase or decrease the bass according to your preferences. While you're satisfied, simply go back. Your settings will be automatically saved and enabled. So basically that's it. You can switch your equalizer anytime from this menu. You can change it anytime once again. So open it up, press gear icon, change it, switch to another one. As you see, it changes really fast, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.